Good morning, dear students. Let's continue map reading. Next is night and day. The reason for day and night is the west to east rotation of the earth. Does the sun always rise at the same time everywhere? And what about the sunset? Shall we find out the difference in the time of sunrise and sunset in Chennai during different months using the application? Open sun clock from application education. Sun clock window opened. Maximize the window. Click anywhere in the window to open the menu bar. Click on the clock and map window button to display the map of the world showing time zones. Click on the toggle tropic tool T to display the main latitudes in the time zone map. Adjust the time in sun clock to the month of March. Adjust the progress value 30 days. Click on G button to adjust the progress value. Then click on the B button to move the time backward. Then specify progress value as 1 minute. Select Chennai from the map. For that, click on U button. Urban selector window appears. Again click on U button. Now the cities displayed on the map. Ensure that the legal time is shown below. To start animation, click on O button. Option window appears. The progress value is 1 minute. Click on apostrophe button to start animation. The animation is started. When the line where the day starts reaches Chennai, stop the animation and note the time shown at the bottom. To get the legal time of Chennai, click on L button and then click on Chennai. Here the name of the city is Madras. Now we can get the time. Click on B button to backward the time. Click on Y button to display the sun. Again start the animation. When the line where the day ends reaches Chennai, stop the animation and note the time shown at the bottom. Click on A button to forward the time. Now we can get the time of sunset. To save this, click on Application, Accessories, Screenshot. Select Grab the whole screen and click on Take Screenshot button. Then select the destination folder and type a file name. Then click on Save button. Seasonal movement of the sun. Open sun clock from application Education. Sun clock window opened. Maximize the window. Click anywhere in the window to open the menu bar. Click on the clock and map window to display the map of the world showing time zones. Click on T button to show the main latitudinal lines. Click on Y button to show the sun. We can display the position of the sun and the moon in sun clock by clicking sun or moon toggle or Y. If you click twice, they will appear along with their position in latitude and longitude. Observe the position of the sun. Then click on G button to adjust the progress value as 1 day. Click on Animation button from Option window. We can see the movement of the sun as a result of the revolution of the earth. Stop the animation. Find the date and observe the position of the sun. Change the date by clicking forward and backward buttons and observe the position of the sun. Students, please look at the screen. Observe the date and the position of the sun. Just observe the position of the sun and the date. I hope you got an idea for seasonal movements of the sun. This chapter will continue in the next class.